Hi, this is Devin Hobb with Remax, and we are in Lehi today in the Parkside neighborhood. It's a sub-HOA of Ivory Ridge. Now in Ivory Ridge, there's a clubhouse and a swimming pool and indoor tennis, outdoor tennis, and all that's just about a mile away. And when this home was built, you had the option of opting into that HOA up there or staying out. And on this home, they stayed out, but you could opt in any time. And that would raise the HOA up to somewhere around $180 total a month. Right now it's $106, so $105.50. So they have the lower HOA fee on this home, and that includes full landscaping in the front and in the back. They even weed the property, fix the sprinklers. There's a little playground over here, and then there's a 9-acre park just up the road that has this is more of a city park, but there's a splash pad and basketball and walking paths and everything. So it's nice that this one does have that lower HOA, and I'm going to take you through a guided tour of the home and tell you more about the features of it. All right, so here in the entryway, it's a 2-story tall entry and invites you into this nice great room area. Now this has been more of a desired layout to have the living room and the kitchen and then the dining off to the side instead of a long bowling alley of everything. So this is a nice triangular design. There's quartz countertops, stainless appliances, 9-foot tall ceilings, and then this dining spot is very big. This is close to probably an 8-foot table here. And anyway, very nice. So a lot of these homes that were built do not have covered patios. This one does. So that was a major upgrade from the builder. And it's nice to have this nice Trex deck, covered patio, and then it is a fenced-in yard. So the HOA will take care of the grass and the plants and everything. So nothing that you need to do back here. Over here, we've got the kitchen pantry. So very tall pantry, lots of space there. And then we've got the 2-car garage here. And it is immaculate. The whole house is immaculate. Here's a coat closet. And then this is access to the basement. I won't go down there, it's unfinished, but you can see some video clips of it here. Okay, so a half a flight up, well not even a half a flight, but up 3 steps, and you have the half bath for the main level, and that's going to be for the guests so they don't have to come all the way up. And on the second level, we've got laundry room here, and there's a nice tile floor. All the appliances are included. The washer, dryer, and the fridge are going to stay in the home. So over here we have the master, and you can see it's a pretty big master bedroom. This is a king-size bed. It's got plenty of room for the nightstands and the dresser, can lights, and then it's got a nice master bath. This has the 12 by 24 tile on the floor. It's got subway tile surrounds on the bathtub and in the shower, and a nice walk-in closet here. And it does have quartz and the double sinks. So this is a very nice master suite. This is bedroom 2 for up here. This one is a queen bed, good size room. It's got the double wide closet. It's a 6-foot, maybe a 5.5-foot wide opening for the closet. And then the hall bath, again, has subway tile around the shower and quartz countertops, the 12 by 24 tile on the bathroom floor. And this is bedroom 3. There's another good sized closet, good sized room. And I'll point this out too on the way down. They did get upgraded Craftsman railing. So this creates a nice open field in this entryway. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tour and got a good feel for the layout of the home as well as some of the features. And if you'd like to come and see this home, feel free to reach out to an agent you're already working with or reach out to me, and I'm happy to show this home to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to follow more home video tours as well as market updates. Thanks for watching.